Hey, it's Ricky Yarbrough from Untitled Tractor. Today we're going to go over 3 different mowers in Kubota zero turn line. We're going to start off from the starter mower to the commercial mower and then one in the center. So let's talk about the little 42-inch Commander. Okay, let's go over the Kubota Z122R Commander series. This machine is going to be for somebody who has, a small yard in town, mowing up to about 1.5 acres. It is powered by a Kawasaki engine. It's got the Hydro Gear 2200 commercial pumps on it. It's got a 10-gauge fabricated mower deck. Comes with a 4-year, 300-hour warranty. Right now, this machine starts at $38.99, and we do have some 0% financing up to 48 months on it. Okay, on the Z122 Commander, as you see, your levers are very, very nice, easy to get to. Your parking brake is on your left-hand side. There's nothing in between your feet, a parking brake lever. You do have your height adjustment pedal is there, and you have a knob that you turn to set your height. On the right-hand side, you also have a choke lever, an ignition switch, a PTO engagement to turn on and off your mower deck, your throttle, a nice hour meter to keep up with your service. Your fuel tank is on this side, and of course you do have a seat belt that locks, and this is also a rollover protection bar in case you on a hillside and accidentally try to turn the machine over. Your handles are very simple to use. You pull them in, you push them forward, you go forward. If you want to make a left-hand turn, you pull back on the left and push forward on the right, then vice versa to make a right-hand turn. Pull back on the right, push forward on the left. And then, of course, to go reverse, just pull them straight back, and then this is your neutral position. Okay, this Commander is powered by a Kawasaki 21.5 horsepower engine. It is a V-twin engine. It does come with the 4-year, 300-hour warranty. You have, of course, your spark plugs on each side. Your oil fill is here. Your oil filter is here on this side, very easy to get to, and you have a fuel filter on this side. So if you want to do it, service it yourself, it's pretty easy to do that. Now let's go over here to the Z726X. Now this machine is a commercial machine, or somebody has a very large estate they want to mow. 11.6 miles an hour in forward gear. It's powered by a Kawasaki engine. It's got some of the features that the little baby one's got. Your dial-in height adjustment, steel, Kubota exclusive, very, very nice to use. Nothing here in your foot platform to get you hung up. Here's your fuel gauge. Here's your choke lever. This is going to be your throttle for your engine. This is going to shut your mower deck, turn your mower deck on, and then shut it off. And then you also have an hour meter so you can keep up with your service on this thing. This one is going to have a 2-year unlimited hour commercial warranty and a 4-year consumer warranty with 750-hour limit on it. So it stands up with a good warranty. This machine here has a 7-gauge fabricated deck versus the little one had the 10-gauge. So it's a heavier mower deck. This one's cut 60 inches wide, and it's very, very fast on the ground. It's running a solid front tire, so if you're in the commercial business, you don't ever have to worry about having flats. On the mower deck itself, it's running sealed bearings, so if you've got guys working for you that don't like to grease and don't like to service it because it's not their machine, it runs a sealed bearing. You get a nice plate that you can lift off here to take your leaf blower to blow all the grass out from underneath it. It is a 7-gauge mower deck built by Kubota in Georgia. This machine is powered by a Kawasaki engine. It's 25.5 horsepower. Everything is very easy to get to. Your fuel tank is here. Your fuel fill, it runs underneath the seat, so your center of gravity is a lot better if you're on some hillsides. You put your engine oil there. Your oil filter is right there. You have a spark plug on each side, and of course this is your big air cleaner here. It is built for the commercial use. Commercial, then again, you have a 2-year unlimited warranty on hours, and on the consumer use, you have a 4-year 750-hour warranty. So we've talked about the small, the medium, and let's go to the large machine here, the biggest mower Kubota builds. This machine is a 30.8 horsepower, 3-cylinder diesel Kubota diesel engine, 7-gauge on the mower deck, greasable bearings, run flat front tires, shaft driven, hydraulic deck lift up and down, not electric over hydraulic, but true hydraulic. And how they get that is they run a hydrostatic transmission instead of running 2 different wheel motors. Typically what that does for you is if you're making a lot of left-hand turns, your left-hand pump will get a little hotter, so it's a little hard to keep it straight. With a complete enclosed hydrostatic transmission, stays the same speed, the same temperature on both sides. On this machine here, you can get inside, like I mentioned before. It is a shaft-driven unit, meaning it has a shaft from the engine to the top of the mower deck, and then you have a belt on that mower deck just in case you hit something hard, it burns that belt and will not tear your gearbox up. This is pretty much leading in the industry. Very nice, lot less belt wear. one less belt to worry about. On the ZD1511, it has, like I mentioned earlier, a hydraulic deck lift up and down. So basically you have two pedals. You have an up and down pedal, and then you still have the dial and height adjustment. You just turn the knob to whatever number you want to mow at, and you hit your down pedal, it goes to that height. To engage or disengage your parking brake, you would push your brake to disengage it. To set it, you would push down and hit that little lever beside it, and that locks your parking brake. That allows you to get off the machine with the machine running, so it doesn't die every time you get on and off. This is your throttle. Being a diesel, of course, has no choke, so you just have a throttle. You got a slow and high there. This would be a hydraulic independent PTO engagement for your mower deck. So it's not running a electric PTO clutch, but it's just like a tractor. It's hydraulic independent, and then of course this is going to be your ignition switch. Another thing that this machine has is an air ride seat. So if you got some bumpy terrain, you got operators using it, very, very nice option to have. Of course, the controls are similar to any zero turn out there, same motions, forward, backwards, left-hand turn, right-hand turn, and then come back to the neutral position. Okay, this is the engine compartment, metal hood there, no plastic. It lifts up just like that, nice and easy, like a hood on a car. The Kubota ZD1511 is powered by a 3-cylinder Kubota-built diesel engine. 30.8 horsepower, plenty of horsepower to run that 72-inch mower deck. It's got a metal hood on it. As you can see, it opens up real nice to get access to your engine. Okay, on the ZD1511 right now, through Kubota, we have 0 for 48-month financing, or we've got 1.99 with approved credit. Okay, here at Springdale Tractor, like we've showed you, we've got them from the small guys to the big guys and everything in between. Come see us at Springdale Tractor if you're looking for a new lawnmower this season, and thanks for watching.